Hi YouTube, just received my auto leveling parts. I bought 2 of them, there's another one in here, but I'll leave a link for where you can get these. Gearbest sell them, and also eBay sell them, so that's it. And I have something of a surprise to be had from Gearbest. That's in the next show. I'll start unboxing it. It's only just arrived from China, and we're going to have a look. So please follow me, please subscribe, and please like, and I will leave some Gearbest specials because I'm now an affiliate, and I would love you guys to all enjoy it. So we'll catch up soon. I'll probably do another video today, and please watch it if you can. And I hope everyone's having a great day. Bye bye.